Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete Netflix search history. So if you want to clear up your Netflix search or watch history, in this video I'll show you exactly how you can do it step by step on both desktop and mobile. So let's just jump in. In a quick note, actually Netflix doesn't have a direct search history delete button like Google, but your searches are based on your watch history. So to clear suggestions, you'll need to delete items from your viewing activity. This is how you can clear it on the computer. You can just go to your browser and open the netflix.com and just log into your account. Choose your profile and click on your profile icon in the top right and choose account. In here in the Netflix account settings, you can just scroll down until you find the manage profiles options. Click on it and choose the profile. Let's say this one's right here, and then you can just scroll down again until you see the viewing activity options. Click on it. So what you need to do to clear up the viewing activity or the search history, you can just click on this button to hide it from viewing history, like this, and just like that, this will clean up your search suggestions. And on mobile, you can just do the same. Open Chrome and go to the netflix.com and switch to desktop site and follow the same steps as on PC to delete the titles. So that's how you can delete your Netflix history and clear up your recommendations and search bar. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and let me know if you want a tutorial for other topic. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.